today to show you some super fun Halloween goodies. We are making graveyard taco cups. So we're excited to bring that to you. Jill? Sorry, she's probably touching up her makeup. Jill. Oh, there you are. All right, hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the segment. We're making Halloween cups. Oh, you look ready for Halloween.
I thought we were filming our Halloween segment.
Well, I got my pumpkin out.
How about if you let me show you how I do Halloween?
Overachiever.
I got my shirt on.
I'm with the witch. Hello, I'm the witch. I don't look like a witch. All right,
Let's fix that.
I need some help. I love your lipstick.
How about that?
You seriously want me to wear this? Like, I can't cook in this. I mean, this is itchy. Ugh. Really?
Okay.
Hold on. We are not. Come on now. You've gone a little bit too far.
Oh, come on.
This is ridiculous. We can't cook in this. Oh my gosh. All right. I feel like this is better. I mean, the hat keeps hitting my light, but I'll wear the hat.
You look good.
Thanks.
You look
Thanks.
good.
You look great.
Thank you.
You do
I
Halloween a
do.
touch better than me.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I changed my shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's nice. I'm your friend.
Okay.
Okay, so graveyard taco cups. And healthy, quick little snack, super fun. I love it. I mean, these would be a great healthy snack to bring if you're going to an event and or a Halloween party, and fun for kids too.
Oh, absolutely.
Super simple. So we are going to put them in these little fun cups, and we're going to do refried beans and guacamole. So do we want to show them our guacamole first?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do that.
I need that.
You need the avocado?
Yes,
Isn't that perfect?
It's beautiful.
Yes. I was excited when I found that avocado.
So when you buy an avocado, what do you look for?
So the mistake that I used to make was I would get them and they were too soft. In fact, this one is kind of I bought it yesterday and it was perfect, but look at that. Isn't that amazing? And so you still want it to be rather firm. Do you agree?
Oh, I agree.
Yeah. And another trick that I've learned is before they get too soft, like if you really can, mush it in and it can indent in, it's probably pretty brown inside. So once they just start to get a little bit soft, go ahead and put them in the fridge and they'll last 3 or 4 days.
See, I never knew that.
So I sometimes leave them in there for a week.
I never knew that.
Yeah, because I like avocado almost every day. I put it on everything. And so, anyway, but see how she's just making these little cross marks there and just smushing it out, super simple.
Okay. All right, so what else? Wait a minute, I need a fork.
Okay.
What else are we gonna put in there?
Well, we're gonna do some fresh lime. Some fresh lime here. I can help you with that. And we're gonna do a little salt and pepper. And then I've got a little bit of granulated garlic.
A little bit.
A little bit, well, kind of a big container, but you can just use a little bit.
Okay, good.
All right.
All right, so I'm just gonna do just a pinch of salt and pepper. Or 2.
2 pinches.
Okay.
2 little pinches.
Squeeze. I think my scary ring is really helping.
Yes, it
It's
is.
making me stronger.
I like it.
It's making me stronger.
My ring's kind of nice too. And then I have the excess green makeup from
Right.
okay, my makeup accident.
So just, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Good.
Okay. I can.
I know.
Yeah, I love guac.
Love guac.
Okay.
All right. So
Cut
next
it
thing
out.
we're gonna do, and we're gonna need your little pin for the rest in peace. For the tops.
that's
Yeah.
right.
Do you have that? All right. So we're gonna start with putting a little refried bean, and we just actually purchased the refried beans in a can, but you could, puree down some black beans if you want. Probably not super quick, but that would be an option as well if you didn't want to do the refried beans. All right.
And you can actually, so this is just the refried beans, the guacamole, and there's some various toppings we're gonna put on. You could actually have some taco meat made and maybe in a little warming dish, maybe a crock pot. And so then as people are coming through, they can add.
Absolutely, that's a great idea. Yeah, my boys would like to do that.
Okay, so then I'm putting
A little guacamole on top. wipe the edges of this so it looks nice and pretty.
I think we're supposed to have something else on top of this.
No, just the
This?
black olives and the green onion.
Oh, okay. I thought
Yeah.
there was something else.
Our little, yeah, that's
There
what it
is something else.
There is a little happy. So
Okay.
then we're gonna sprinkle a few of our black olives. The hat is contending with this light here. A few black olives on top. And if you want to add a little bit of green onion, you can. If you're wanting to do this for kids and you don't think they'd like the green onion, you could also do, Jill came up with just a little bit of lettuce. Shredded lettuce would work as well. This just looks kind of fun, gives it a little more color. And then, so we made some trees and tombstones, so some little haunted house trees and tombstones, rest in peace. All right, that we're just gonna stick down in each one. And this will be the chips. So what we did was we took some vegan tortillas that really thin and just used a sharp knife to cut out the trees and the little tombstones, and then baked them in the oven at 350 just on a cookie sheet for about 5 to 8 minutes. I think we used about 8.
Right.
8 minutes at 350. We just sprayed these with a little bit of olive oil and just a pinch of sea salt, and so you've got your little homemade chips that are in your cup.
Did you mention that this is a edible marker?
I did, yes, I
Okay.
did, but this is an edible marker that we're writing
So-
the RIP.
You don't want to use a Sharpie.
Right. Yeah, definitely not.
Use a Sharpie. I think that's cute.
Definitely not.
Here, just
Oh, here
press.
we have another tree.
Well, here, but look, it looks like a graveyard.
Yes, isn't that so
Isn't
cute?
that cute?
I love
Super
it.
easy. So, like I said, you could do the taco meat. You could do a little bit of sour cream if you want in there.
Tomato.
Maybe have some more chips on the side. I think that it's perfect.
Yeah, I think they're adorable. They're super easy. They're quick and they're healthy and just a lot of fun. So give them a try.
See my ring?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just kind of obsessed with Halloween.
I
if
love
we haven't
Halloween.
noticed. Yes.
So we'll post the recipe below,
Mhm.
and be sure to subscribe because we're trying to get to 100 spooky subscribers.
Yeah. And happy Halloween.
Yes, happy Halloween.
See
Bye.
ya.